You thought the first list was impressive? Trust me, it gets even crazier. After testing the first 10 viral gadgets, I went even deeper into trending products on Amazon and YouTube to find the next level of home and kitchen tools that people in the USA are going crazy about right now. And this time, the results were even more surprising. Some of these gadgets felt like they came straight from the future, while others solved problems you didn't even realize you had. But here's the thing, not every viral product deserves your money. Some are smart, some are overhyped, and a few are absolute game changers. So in this video, I tested another 10 viral home and kitchen gadgets to see which ones actually work in real life. If you want to save time, make your daily routine easier, and avoid wasting money on useless products, this list is for you. Make sure you watch till the end, because the number one gadget is something that can completely transform your kitchen experience in ways you didn't expect. Let's start with number 10. Number 10. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Let's start with something simple, but surprisingly powerful. If you eat eggs regularly, you already know how inconsistent boiling them can be. Sometimes they come out too hard, sometimes too soft, and getting that perfect texture feels like a guessing game every single time. That's exactly where the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker model DEC012BK completely changes the experience. This compact gadget is designed to give you perfectly cooked eggs every time without any stress or monitoring. All you have to do is add the right amount of water using the measuring cup, place your eggs inside, press one button, and walk away. The device automatically controls the cooking process and even shuts off when the eggs are ready, which means no more overcooking or checking repeatedly. What makes this gadget even more impressive is its versatility. It doesn't just boil eggs, it can also poach them or make small omelets using the included trays. This makes it perfect for busy mornings when you want a quick, healthy meal without spending too much time in the kitchen. It's also extremely easy to clean and store due to its compact design. Viral videos make it look convenient, but using it in real life feels even better because it removes uncertainty from a daily routine. Once you start using it, you'll realize how much time and effort it actually saves. Number 9. Mueller Austria UltraStick Immersion Blender. Blending food is something most people do regularly, but traditional blenders can be messy, bulky, and inconvenient. The Mueller Austria UltraStick Immersion Blender Model MUHB02 is designed to solve all those problems in one simple tool. Instead of transferring hot soups or sauces into a separate blender, this handheld device allows you to blend directly in the pot or container. That alone saves time, reduces mess, and eliminates extra dishes. But what really makes this product stand out is its performance. It comes with a powerful 500-watt motor and sharp stainless steel blades that deliver smooth and consistent results in seconds. Whether you're making soups, smoothies, baby food, or sauces, it handles everything efficiently. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold, and the variable speed control gives you full control over the texture. This is one of the reasons why it's extremely popular in US kitchens, where convenience and speed are a priority. What impressed me the most is how effortless it feels to use. There's no complicated setup, no heavy lifting, just plug it in and start blending instantly. Viral videos show quick results, and in real life, it performs just as well. Once you start using it, going back to a traditional blender feels unnecessary and outdated. Number 8. Kitchen Mama Electric Can Opener. Opening cans might seem like a basic kitchen task, but it can often be frustrating, especially when dealing with manual openers that require effort and sometimes leave sharp edges behind. The Kitchen Mama Electric Can Opener Model CO1100 is designed to completely remove that struggle. This gadget uses a one-touch system that allows you to open cans automatically without any physical effort. You simply place it on top of the can, press the button, and it rotates around the lid, cutting it smoothly. What makes this product stand out is its safety feature. Unlike traditional can openers, it cuts from the side, leaving no sharp edges on the lid or the can. This makes it much safer to use, especially for families or anyone who wants to avoid accidental cuts. The design is compact and portable, making it easy to store and use anywhere. What impressed me the most is how smooth and consistent it is. Every time you use it, it works perfectly without slipping or requiring adjustments. Viral videos make it look satisfying, but in real life, it feels even better because it removes both effort and risk from a common kitchen task. It's a simple upgrade, but one that makes a noticeable difference in everyday life. Number 7. OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer. Avocados are one of the most popular foods right now, especially among health-conscious people in the USA, but preparing them can be messy, tricky, and sometimes even dangerous if you're using a knife. The OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer Model 125-2180 is designed to make this process faster, safer, and cleaner. This tool combines 3 functions into one: slicing, pitting, and scooping. You can cut the avocado open with the plastic blade, remove the pit safely using the pitter, and then slice the fruit into perfect pieces using the built-in slicer. What makes this gadget so effective is how simple it is to use. There's no learning curve, and it reduces the risk of cutting yourself. It also creates evenly sliced pieces, which improves presentation and makes your meals look more professional. This is one of the reasons why it became viral online. People love tools that simplify everyday tasks without adding complexity. What impressed me the most is how much cleaner the process becomes. No slipping, no mess, and no wasted fruit. Once you start using it, going back to a knife feels less efficient and more risky. Number 6. Etekcity Digital Kitchen Scale. Cooking without accurate measurements often leads to inconsistent results, especially when baking or following detailed recipes. The Etekcity Digital Kitchen Scale Model EK6015 solves this problem by providing precise weight measurements for your ingredients. This gadget allows you to measure in multiple units, including grams, ounces, and pounds, making it extremely versatile. What makes it stand out is its simplicity and reliability. You place your ingredient on the scale, and it instantly shows the exact weight with high accuracy. It also features a tare function, which allows you to subtract the weight of containers, making measurements even more precise. This is especially useful for meal prep and fitness tracking, where portion control is important. The design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly into any kitchen setup. What impressed me the most is how it improves consistency in cooking. Once you start measuring ingredients properly, you realize how inaccurate guesswork can be. Viral trends have made this gadget popular, but its real value comes from daily use. It's a simple tool, but it plays a huge role in improving your cooking results. Number 5. Simplehuman Rectangular Hands-Free Trash Can. Let's be honest, taking out the trash isn't anyone's favorite job, but the Simplehuman Rectangular Hands-Free Trash Can, Model CW 2024, proves that even something as ordinary as a trash can make your daily routine easier. At first glance, it might seem like just another stainless steel garbage bin, but after using it for a few days, you quickly understand why it has become so popular in homes across the United States. The biggest feature is the heavy-duty steel foot pedal that allows you to open the lid without touching it with your hands. That's incredibly useful while cooking because your hands are often covered with raw meat, vegetables, or sticky ingredients. Instead of touching the lid and spreading germs, you simply step on the pedal and throw everything away. Another thing I really liked is the slow, silent closing lid. There's no loud slam every time you close it. It shuts gently and quietly, giving it a premium feel that cheaper trash cans simply don't have. The fingerprint-resistant stainless steel body also keeps it looking clean even with everyday use. Inside, the removable bucket makes changing trash bags fast and simple. It's designed to work perfectly with custom liners, but regular bags fit well too. This may not be the most exciting gadget on this list, but it solves a problem you deal with every single day. Sometimes the best products aren't flashy, they simply make everyday life smoother. After testing it, I completely understand why this trash can has earned thousands of positive reviews and continues to be one of the most recommended kitchen products on Amazon. Number 4. Gorilla Grip Original Drawer and Shelf Liner. Sometimes the smallest upgrades create the biggest improvements, and the Gorilla Grip Original Drawer and Shelf Liner is a perfect example. Before trying this product, I honestly didn't expect much because it's simply a shelf liner. But after installing it, I realized why so many homeowners in the USA recommend it. Unlike ordinary liners that constantly slide around, this one has a textured, non-slip surface that stays securely in place without using glue or adhesive. That means you can remove it anytime without leaving sticky residue behind. Installation is incredibly easy. You simply measure your drawer, cut the liner to size with scissors, and place it inside. Within minutes, your shelves and drawers feel cleaner, more organized, and much more premium. One thing that surprised me was how much noise it reduces. Plates, bowls, glasses, and kitchen tools no longer slide around every time you open a drawer. It also protects cabinets from scratches, moisture, and small spills, helping them stay in better condition for years. Cleaning is just as simple because you can remove the liner, wipe it down, and place it back. While this product doesn't have flashy technology or moving parts, it improves your kitchen every single day without you even noticing. That's why organization experts and home improvement creators often recommend it in their videos. It's affordable, durable, and extremely practical. Sometimes we focus too much on expensive gadgets when simple products like this can make a bigger difference in everyday life. After testing it myself, I completely understand why this product continues to be one of Amazon's best-selling home organization accessories. Number 3. Lodge Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Skillet. Every great kitchen needs one reliable pan, and the Lodge Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Skillet 10.25-inch, Model L8SK3, might be one of the best investments you can make. This skillet has been trusted by home cooks and professional chefs for decades, and after using it, it's easy to see why. Unlike lightweight non-stick pans, Cast iron stores heat extremely well and distributes it evenly across the entire cooking surface. That means steaks develop a beautiful crust, vegetables caramelize perfectly, and cornbread bakes with an amazing golden finish. One of the biggest advantages is durability. With proper care, this skillet can last for decades or even be passed down through generations. It comes pre-seasoned from the factory, so it's ready to use immediately without extra preparation. Another feature I loved is its versatility. You can use it on a gas stove, electric stove, induction cooktop, oven, grill, or even over a campfire. Very few pans offer that level of flexibility. Yes, it's heavier than regular cookware, but that extra weight contributes to excellent heat retention. Cleaning is also easier than many people think. With proper seasoning, food releases surprisingly well, and warm water with a soft brush is usually all you need. Watching viral cooking videos featuring cast iron pans finally made sense after testing this skillet. The food genuinely tastes better, cooks more evenly, and looks restaurant quality. If you're serious about cooking, this isn't just another pan. It's a kitchen tool you'll probably use for the rest of your life. Number 2. Crock-Pot Oval Manual Slow Cooker. Imagine preparing dinner in the morning, leaving the house for work, and returning home to a meal that's completely cooked and ready to serve. That's exactly what the Crock-Pot Oval Manual Slow Cooker 7 Quart, model SCV 700 SBR, is designed to do. This appliance has become a favorite in American households because it saves time without sacrificing flavor. Using it couldn't be easier. Simply add your ingredients, choose either low or high heat, place the lid on, and let the slow cooker handle everything. Over several hours, meat becomes incredibly tender, vegetables absorb rich flavors, and soups, stews, chili, pulled pork, and pot roast come out tasting like they've been prepared by a professional chef. One thing that impressed me most was the size. The 7-quart capacity easily feeds large families or allows you to prepare meals for the entire week. That makes it perfect for meal prepping, which is becoming increasingly popular in the USA. Another advantage is energy efficiency. Compared to using a large oven for hours, this slow cooker consumes much less electricity while keeping your kitchen cooler. Cleanup is simple because both the removable stoneware insert and glass lid are dishwasher safe. Viral cooking channels often feature slow cooker recipes because they're almost impossible to mess up, and after testing this model, I completely understand why. It's reliable, easy to use, and consistently produces delicious meals with minimal effort. If you have a busy schedule but still want homemade food, this gadget can completely change the way you cook. Number 1. Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL Pressure Cooker and Air Fryer. We've finally reached number 1, and this gadget truly deserves the top spot. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL Pressure Cooker and Air Fryer, model FD401, isn't just another kitchen appliance. It's like combining several premium cooking machines into one powerful device. What immediately stands out is its incredible versatility. It functions as a pressure cooker, air fryer, slow cooker, steamer, dehydrator, yogurt maker, baker, and more. Instead of filling your kitchen with multiple appliances, this single machine handles almost everything. During testing, what impressed me most was the combination of speed and quality. Pressure cooking dramatically reduced cooking time while keeping meat tender and juicy. Then, using the Tender Crisp technology, I switched directly to air frying, creating a perfectly crispy exterior without transferring food to another appliance. That's a huge convenience that saves both time and cleanup. The generous capacity also makes it ideal for families or anyone who likes preparing larger meals. The digital control panel is surprisingly easy to understand, even if you've never used a pressure cooker before. It includes multiple cooking presets, allowing beginners to achieve excellent results without guesswork. Another major advantage is healthier cooking because air frying requires significantly less oil than traditional frying methods. It's no surprise this appliance consistently appears in viral Amazon reviews and YouTube cooking videos. After testing it myself, I completely understand the hype. If I had to recommend only one product from today's list, this would absolutely be it. It saves time, replaces multiple appliances, and consistently delivers restaurant-quality results right at home.